Hey guys, my name is Freedom. This is Blender 5.1. You can see my cube. There are so many colors. It is so colorful with transparency. What we call the opacity already set for any of the faces, for any of the material texture. It has certain transparency because I already set the opacity. We also call it alpha. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you all the step by step how to make transparency, how to adjust the alpha for any of the material to just make it so beautiful like this. I'm going to show you all this step by step in details. Let's go. And here you can see there are three materials. I go to the material tabs. I already selected this cube. This is a 3D mesh. I go to the material tab. It has green material, red material, and blue material. So for each of the material, I want to set the transparency, the opacity, how to adjust. Let's say, for example, the blue material, I click the blue. And then I scroll down. You have to make sure you're already in the viewport shading material preview so that you can see the color. If you are at the viewport shading solid, you cannot see any texture and color. So I assume that you already know the viewport shading material preview is already here. So in the material tab, I click the blue material. I can just adjust the alpha from 1 to 0 point something. So now you can see it already becomes transparent. But there are so many noise here. You can just scroll down until you see the render method. From the Dithered, I change it to blended. So now you can see it look more nice. Let's say the red material, I scroll up, I change the opacity of the red material, the alpha. So once I already changed the alpha, I scroll down, I go to the render method, change it from Dithered to blend. So now it already become transparent. Then what about the green material? I scroll up, click the green material, scroll down, the alpha, I change it to 0.5. I scroll down, go to the render method, I change it to blended as well. So now everything looks transparent. And also, the colors are so beautiful and no more noise. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to change the transparency by adjusting the alpha for any of the materials and textures in Blender 5.1. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!